In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the negative battery cable. Remove the terminal, put it to the side. Using a 10mm socket on a wobble extension with a few long extensions, we're going to go onto the back of the motor and remove the two 10mm bolts for the heat shield. Remove the bolt. There's one more up to the left. Remove the bolt and the shield. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the crankshaft position sensor. Remove the bolt. Wiggle the sensor and remove it. Using a clip removal tool, remove the clip on the side. Just like that. Push on that clip. Using a long pair of needle nose pliers, I grabbed the connector with the clip, wiggled, and removed it. On this back side, our crankshaft position sensor harness is clipped in. We're going to pop this out of the clip. Just like that. I used a flat blade screwdriver and pry it up. Pop it out and remove the crankshaft position sensor. Route the sensor from where you took it out. Install the connector into the metal clip. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. We're going to install the sensor into the hole. Install the sensor and then install the bolt. Snug the bolt down. Torque this bolt to 8 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Get the heat shield in place. Get the wire routed out the side. And get your bolt started. Snug down the bolts for the heat shield. Install the plastic stay into the bracket. Should be right here. Ours is broken, so it won't clip in. Install the negative battery cable. Snug the terminal down. And then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.